bridge. All right, hello everyone. How's everyone doing? I hope everyone's doing great. Recently I've been going to a lot of shotengais, and shotengais are like a shopping street where usually they're like old shopping stores. No, usually they're like old stores in Japan, and recently I've been just kind of obsessed with them, and I'm going to my last one. If you don't like them, I'm really sorry. This will be the last one, I think, for a long time. So I just wrapped up finishing a video of going to the Aeon Mall, and I'm just walking around this area, and I find that this area is really cool, and I'm really glad that I came here. I was kind of thinking that it wasn't going to be a cool area, but it seems like it's going to be promising. But it's only like 10 minutes away from here. It's right off the Taisho Station, and right now along this riverbank there's some restaurants on here that looks really nice. There's a pizzeria here that kind of looks like a boat looking out from the river, and there's some guys with like some looks like some sort of like barbecue, but it looks really nice here. I'm guessing it's really expensive. This place is called Tugboat Taisho, so I'm guessing the station is going to be really close. We're kind of pinned between two rivers. That train, the train's going by, the JR. The river is right here, and then there's another river going this way. So this area is pretty cool. I can't believe I never knew about this area. All right, we might as well check it out since we're already here, just so I know what they have here, so we can come here during the summer. Well, it is summer right now, but this would be the perfect place for like summer night, you know, if there wasn't a pandemic. But this place looks like a beef place. Looks kind of expensive. I'm guessing it's expensive, so you can like grow food out there. Here is a cafe. I'm guessing this is like newly built because everything looks really new. Look at that, there's a lot of people inside. I don't know if you can catch it. The lighting is kind of dim. They have like some cake as well inside. This is really cool. It gives you like a feeling that you're on a boat, but you're actually not, which is nice because then it's not moving. It's like they built it right over the water, which is really cool. Some nice views here. Oh, it looks like a hamburger joint. Cool, you can like get your food, and then oh, there's more restaurants. It smells really good. You can go on the other side maybe as well, or is that a mirror? Oh, I think that's a mirror. Whoa, look at this. That's pretty cool. Oh, so you can get like beer and food. There's another. It's a lot of like beer food, which is pretty good. It looks really good. Whoa. Takoyaki. They got the Korean food here. Oh. And then people are out here. You can have beer and then look out on the river. That's pretty cool. I think they just really they just built this place recently. Some skaters over there as well. I think that's it. I better go the other way. Alright, I see the Taisho Station. This area is so cool. I know I said that like 5 times, but you know, I've lived there for 5 years and I've never knew about this place. And that's why I make these YouTube videos, because not only I get to share these experiences with you guys, but also at the same time I get to explore and get my butt off the couch and get out here and explore. So, which is really cool. So here's a Taisho Station right there. It's just the metro, and then there's 2. So I'll be taking that home later. old school bus stop. I think they tell you which bus is coming and whatnot, but I don't know if you can see that. Lighting's not that great. Look at these random things. Locker, you can take a photo, and some vending machines. Alright, I guess I gotta figure out which way to go. Alright, so there's some restaurants on that other side, but I think the Shotengai is this way, but I'm not sure. We'll probably come back here again. Well, I will probably come back here again. I don't know if the lighting's good enough. Alright, it's hot. And I think I'm lost. This area is pretty cool near the station, but I know that there's a Shotengai around here somewhere. I just don't know where. Check this out. What is this? Is it a house? Is it a store? But I think this is a pretty cool area. Hopefully I don't miss anything, because sometimes I go to these places and I'll miss it just by like a couple feet. So, and I'm getting tired and hot, so hopefully I don't miss anything. I'm thinking about asking somebody where it is. Alright, I gotta check my Google. I love how everywhere you go you can see the dome. And I'm pretty far from the dome because I just walked from there. I think it took like 15 minutes just to walk from there. And if I lived in this neighborhood, it's pretty nice because you're still in the city. But look at how quiet it is. It's not that noisy. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Homemade basketball hoop with no net. You're definitely gonna break a window. You can't even put a net on this thing. It's bent. Again, look at the dome. That's crazy. I found this Nissan Silvia tucked away in this corner here. Looks like a drift missile. This area is weird. Look at this. It's like a factory. Another factory. I like walking through here. Always like little factories around these neighborhoods. But yeah, I think these are the moments I'm always gonna remember. I don't know how long I'm gonna live in Japan. I can live here forever. I can live here for a couple years, but I'm always gonna remember these like small moments in my life where I go through these small neighborhoods. I don't know why, but these are always like the memories that pop up. And a lot of the memories that I miss in America are like the really small moments where I'm just driving through a boring street. So it's pretty cool, and it's a nice day, and feel pretty good. So first, looks like, okay, so looks like these are all modern houses and modern apartments on this side, and behind me were all the older houses and apartments, and still you can see the dome. We're pretty far from it too, but it looks so close. This building looks so weird because on the first floor is a parking garage, a system park, and on this top floor, I don't know what's going on over here. It's got this I don't know if you can see it, but it's like all sealed, like a saran wrapped. It just looks so old, this building. It's like an apartment over a parking garage, which is pretty cool because if you own this property, you probably make money just from doing nothing with these parking cars parking down here. But guys, I finally found it, and it looks scary. It's very eerie actually. I think this is the beginning. There's no sign or anything like that. That's it. What is this? Video house. I wonder if this was something back then. They got this crazy bike in here, like a cafe racer. It's pretty cool. Maybe this is like the beginning of it, and then there's more stuff over there. But it looks like a bunch of stores that have nothing. Some people here. Some people. This dog. Alright, I just came from back there. This one looks a little not that great. We start getting Tayo, and then here's another way. Look at these light bulbs. Very antique. Alright, I think it's starting to start because I hear music. but yet there's no stores here. This Panasonic store. It's the only store on the street, pretty much. They got some food here as well. I think they're about to close. Got a little shop here. I love the music they play. I mean, it's not good for the YouTube videos because I gotta keep pausing and stopping. But I really like the music because it just gives you that feel like they've been probably playing this music for the past 10 years. Alright, seems like a restaurant here. Forgot his change here. Alright, I think that was it. This one is called Sansen Shopping Road. And then again, Sansen. I think that area there were no stores, but maybe it begins here. Alright, looks like they're closing down here, but I think that's it. This is a really small Shotengai. Yeah, alright, so I think it ends over there, but I found another Shotengai that looks a little bit more promising. I think I'm getting addicted to these Shotengais. Alright guys, this will be the last one, I promise. But yeah, it doesn't look like there's a lot of good stuff here. I might have to check on the on Google Maps. Oh, what is this? This boxing gym? It's cool. This has probably been here for a long time. Damn, it'd be really hard to train with the mask on. It smells really good. Alright. Small little alcohol shop. I think that's it. Interesting. Alright, so I did find another Shotengai, but it looks really bad and old, so I'm not gonna even bother going there, and it's really far. It's about 35 minutes from here. But once you like start making these videos, well, for me, I start getting really addicted, and I just keep wanting to see more and more, and I just keep on pushing myself to going all the way to the end. And also I'm addicted to showing these videos to people. I know a lot of these videos maybe people aren't really interested in, but for me, I feel compelled to share these videos with everybody. So I'm really tired. I shouldn't push myself. I might go out again tomorrow, so I'm on my way back home, and if I see anything interesting, I will show you guys. Check out this apartment parking garage. It's like 4 floors of cars. I don't even know how you even get it up there. The apartment's pretty old too. Check out this old school sushi conveyor belt place. You can sit on the floor and eat. So old looking. Alright, so I found this random second street, and this is like, I don't know if you're new to this channel, but I always go to these second streets. They're franchise, and they're just secondhand shops that are all over Japan. And recently I've been going to a lot of them, and I just want to, you know, it was on the way on the road, so I might as well just go and look real quick. This one looks kind of small. It's from the outside. Whoa, they got a lot of stuff in here. Got Louis Vuitton shoes, 400 bucks. This one's pretty big. Oh, yeah, there's nothing in that store actually, and there's so many people inside. But brand buyers, I know this store. I follow this on Instagram, this guy. Check it out real quick. Yeah, I think this is the store. They always got like different stuff. I think this is the same guy, maybe different. Yeah, I think this is the place. Alright, so that was the store. I can't believe coincidentally I found that store, because I follow that store on IG, and they sell secondhand like hype beast stuff, but you know, it's always like overpriced, but sometimes they're good deals. But I didn't know it was like at here. I thought it was closer to the city center, so It's crazy that it's a coincidence that I found that place, and I wouldn't have known if I didn't make a right and saw that second street. But check out this another parking garage. I don't even know how to get the cars up there. Alright, I just got to the station, but there seems to be some restaurants around here. I want to check it out. They're saying that Taisho Station is supposed to be you know, where a lot of people are hanging out and going to bars and stuff like that, but I can't seem to find it. Could be on the other side. This could be just on this side as well too. Here's a bar. It's food. Naughty bar, I think. Yeah, and I think most of these places close at 8 o'clock as well. Let's check on the other side. I guess we can't go on the other side. Alright, there's some restaurants over there. Some graffiti right there. I'm underneath the station here. I think it's just a small little portion. Yeah, that's how what they put on like Google and stuff. They make it seem like there's a lot of stuff here, but there's a lot of people in these restaurants. Alright. Yeah, it kind of ends here. I don't know what's over there. It smells really good though. Got a nice little restaurant here on the corner. I think this is it. I don't know what this bar is called. Refuge. Refuge? I think this little area is what was on Google. This little small little area. There are people inside of these places though. Yeah, I think this is what they're talking about. Oh, this is Okinawa food. It's busy. Look at this place. People are in there and also in that restaurant. Smells really good too. And on the other side there were some restaurants as well. There's more people inside here as well. I think people are trying to get their dinner in before everything closes. They're supposed to close at 8 and a lot of the restaurants are closing at 8 right now. This is Torikizoku, very popular yakitori place. I think that's it. And then it goes out to the main street over here. Alright, another beautiful sunset. Alright guys, I had a lot of fun today. We've made a lot of videos. I hope you watched all of the videos and I hope you enjoyed all of them. There will be more videos coming soon, but today I'm going to be going home right now because I'm pretty tired and I gotta eat some food. So thank you for watching and look out for future videos and goodbye.